Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have admin access and Edge is up to date. This prevents permission issues. Once Edge is open, close extra windows and right-click the taskbar icon to ensure only the profile you control runs. Make sure to note whether Incognito is a default startup mode. If so, you need to change a shortcut. Now, locate the three-dot menu. That's where we start modifying settings and disabling guest or private profiles, so Incognito stops appearing on launch. You edit shortcuts first. Right-click any Edge shortcut, open Properties, and remove the Improvate switch from Target, then apply changes. Once done, open Settings and go to Profiles. Sign out or delete any guest or secondary profiles that default to private browsing. If Incognito persists, make sure to check Windows Group Policy or the registry for enforced flags, because enterprises can force private mode. When you locate enforced rules, remove or adjust them if you have authority, and then restart Edge. You finish by restarting Edge and confirming new windows open in normal mode. Open settings on startup to ensure no and private pages launch. If a shortcut, scheduled task, or startup entry still forces in private, remove that entry. Make sure to clear any managed policies, and if nothing else works, create a fresh user profile or reset Edge to default settings. That restores normal behavior. If problems continue, a key troubleshooting tip: check for external apps or extensions that auto-launch in private mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.